Febzpassion.
Hi everyone, it's Febs. Today I'm back with another new video, and today stop looking at it yet. You can't look at it yet. It's supposed to be a surprise. Today I am back with another video and I'm here with a guest. Guess who?
I just got up.
Birchbox. The theme today is days like these. Days like these, that's why I think it's the perfect time to just not glam up, wear pajamas. I kind of had my lip tint though and that powder on my face.
They can see my double chin.
Today he's gonna open the Birchbox with me. This is the October Birchbox. But we're gonna have Angelo to open it. Ah! Stop! What's that?
What we got here is like the menu. The list of the items that is in the Birchbox.
So we got one of these 40 free prints to make your memories last forever. It doesn't say like when it's valid. Oh, valid until
November.
on the 30th of November. That's
Oh no, 30th. We're not 30th yet.
oh, right. I'm a bit advanced. So it's valid on the 30th of November.
Stop doing that.
I know how you like literally you're going like this to everybody.
It's funny.
You're supposed to go like that just so they can see. Maybe I want to keep this actually to myself. Sorry guys. Right,
You
so
can blur that out. We'll start with this product here.
so what is it? You have to make sure it.
Can you see it? You have to do this. It's really technique.
Yeah, can you see it? So this is the Schmid Natural Deodorant Bergamot and Lime. Show your underarms some love with this no nasty deodorant made from 100% all natural ingredients and amazing essential oils. It smells incredible. Smell it. It has a cover. Smells nice. Okay, this effective formula uses plant-based powders instead of aluminium to neutralize scent and absorb dampness. Apply to underarms in the morning and stay dry all day. Ooh, let me see. Oh, this is a lot. Oh, it smells so good. I've tried that before as well. I've already put that under my arms. Oh, ew. Okay, the next one will be this Daily Concept Multifunctional Charcoal Soap. This is a 2-in-1 soap sponge. Combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge, so you can skip this a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create a foam, then lather up in charcoal. The charcoal will gently purify and balance all skin types. It's clean. Wow.
It just has a weird texture.
Does it? Yeah. Ooh. No!
It looks delicious.
Don't bite it! I'm gonna
delicious.
get water and I'm gonna try it. Talk to the camera.
So, do you like cake?
I got a bowl of water so we can try this out. You haven't washed your face, right? We're gonna wash your face with this. So,
I washed my face already.
no you didn't. You still have muta.
Soap.
But it smells like a typical soap.
It smells like
hand-baked
papaya.
soap. I'm dipping it in the water. What does it do?
It feels like rock on my face.
Yeah, it's like soap with sponge. That feels really good. I can't wait to try this on my whole body.
It's basically a lazy soap.
If you're lazy to exfoliate your body, then use this soap.
Use your body.
That was my
I'm
memory
gonna
card.
get. Here, I'll get it.
No, mamaya na. Dandahan ka lang.
What do you?
Eh kasi naman ganun, hindi mo na kailangan lihilain yan.
Lagay mo yun, ah.
Nakakainis.
Okay, to the next one. I think it's an eyeliner. If you wanna diet, it's called the Max Factor 2000 Calorie. If you wanna diet, you can use this. It's for your
Lashes?
lashes. Hey, let me try it on. Yeah, it's for your eyebrows like that.
No, it's not.
I don't know how to use it.
It's for your eyelashes, you're right. Yeah. So this is Dramatic Volume from Max Factor, and it says here that it is smudge-proof. And I don't think this is smudge-proof. This is probably gonna smudge. You have mascara on your eyebrows.
No, I don't. I didn't touch it on my eyebrows.
Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
Look at your finger.
Oh, I know. You.
Show them your finger. No. Don't do that. Yeah. This is how you do it. Right.
It smudges, guys.
So the next product that we have here is
Lumene.
Lumen.
It's like a moisturizing cream for your face. It's like after you wash your face, sponge soap, you can use this.
So this is a hydrating cream. Can we try it?
It's not nighttime
For
yet.
all
It says
skin-
night.
Okay, we'll use it tonight.
No!
I want to open it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like Safeguard. Squeeze a little bit. Smells really good. And it's really smooth.
I'm just sure. They don't test this on animals, they test it on me.
Okay, the next product that we have is this one.
Called Kinky Locks.
Kinky Locks.
It's Winky Locks.
Winky Locks. It's Winky. It's called Winky Locks
Kinky
Disco
Locks.
Kitten Gloss. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. This is a lip gloss.
It looks like a toothpaste that has glitters on it. I'm not gonna use it. It still smells like coconut.
Doesn't
It's
it?
a coconut.
We try it together.
No, I don't. You try it first.
I'll try it first.
Okay, bye-bye. I'm away.
It feels so smooth on my lips.
This lip gloss might appear super bright and bold in its tubes, but once it makes contact with your lips, the pH adjusting from it reveals a rosy hue. Trust us. Apply it directly to your lips with the applicator and watch as it transforms.
Whoa! It transformed into pink color. It's pink. It has purple glitters and it's so pretty. So the last thing that is in this Birchbox is this face mask, and this is a thermotherapy warming gold foil mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10.
So it's like,
Oh my goodness, it's self-warming.
yeah, so it's like a heater for your face.
Intense hydrating for fatigued skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
But is it too?
Oh my god, it's gold. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, it feels good. Oh, feels right. Feels right.
It feels disgusting. What?
I feel like, oh my god, I feel like $1 million. I love it. Oh my god. I can't breathe. I'm trying to breathe. This is. But this could kill me. This is dangerous to humanity. Anyway guys, so that is the video for today. I hope you liked having him around.
No.
If you do, then like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Do that thing again. No.
Which one? Why? Oh no.
See how evil she is?
I
just got hurt and she just laughed her ass off.
I was trying to put the bed back and it ran over his toes.